What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel. And आज की वीडियो में I am here in Alleppey, Kerala and I'm super excited to come here. And मैंने इस पे एक separate video बनाया है on the things to do here in Alleppey. But इस वीडियो में I am showing you around the property that I'm staying at day 1 here in Alleppey. So हम लोग Alleppey में around 2 days है and दोनों दिन we're staying at different properties. This is the first property that we're staying at and this is also my first day coming here in Kerala. So this is a property called as a lemon dew beach house जो beach के सामने ही है. Like यहाँ पे एक रास्ता है and that's the beach right over there. Also give you the budget and all of the stay and also show you the cute little property that is right by the beach. Here is the courtyard area of Lemon Dew and बहुत ही greenery है आसपास. So when you're coming here, come say hi to this babies over here. So this one over here is Milky. There are actually 4 cats over here. So I am a cat person as you know, and you can come and play around with them. And they're currently playing with my dress. So, yeah. One is the corridor area and it's pretty aesthetic as well. बहुत सारे ऐसे elements रखे हैं which makes it look so nice and gives a very like calming feel and it has a great vibe to it. And this place is like a mixture of like Indian and Bohemian kind of style which I absolutely love and gives this place so much character which is amazing. This is the ground floor and यहाँ पे there are these budget rooms over here. There are like 3 rooms at the bottom and 3 rooms on the top and ऊपर वाले rooms have the sea. Corners of this place is like aesthetically pleasing and very beautiful, like little details here and there मतलब बहुत अच्छे से ख्याल रखा है. वो सब के वजह से this place looks so nice and homely yet gives a very like modern yet traditional vibe which is absolutely lovely. The Lemon Dew and it's a very spacious room. मेरे को यहाँ का tiles बहुत अच्छा लगा which is inspired with the Moroccan style tiles. It's very beautiful and very aesthetic if I could say so and बहुत ही अच्छा room है. It's clean and the best part of this room is the sea view which is right in front of it. Like खिड़की खोल के सामने ही is the beautiful ocean which is such a nice clean sea. The water is blue, the sky is also blue today so it's looking very nice and बहुत ही अच्छा vibe है around this place. And बहुत ही सामने ही है of the stay, like you can see the sea from the room which is amazing. There's a like small little road between the ocean and this place and road cross करके you have the direct access to the ocean which is also great. So ये थोड़ा secluded kind of beach है तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग हैं नहीं and it's also very clean so that is also one of the best parts of it. So you can have the whole beach to yourself, enjoy it, like safely enjoy it and have a lot of fun. So ये यहाँ से first floor का view है. For hours just staring at the waves and listening to the sound of the waves crashing the shore. It's like so therapeutic and बहुत ही अच्छा सुंदर सा नज़ारा है which is right in front of it. तो यहाँ पर आके तो किधर और जाने का मन ही नहीं करता because इतना अच्छा नज़ारा जो ऐसा लगता है देखते ही जाओ. Definitely come here and enjoy it. plans are the budget rooms, which is around like 800-900 rupees per night. And हमारा जो room है, which is the sea facing room, so it's around 2000 rupees per night for 2 people, which I think is a great deal. मतलब sea view भी मिल रहा है, budget room भी है, and it's a clean room, which is an amazing plus point. And पूरा vibe of this place, like homestay, is like very homely and wood का work किया है. There is Moroccan type tiles and बहुत सारे plants है, flowers है, and beach है. Then also you have this greenery jungle around. The Lemon Dew beach house here in Alleppey, Kerala, and I hope you enjoyed this video and got to know about this place that is in Kerala. Beach के पास भी है, and it is a budget place for sure. You can come here on a budget and experience beach view, beach life, and have a lot of fun and have a chill time over here as well. And if you made it this far, please do give it a big thumbs up to this video. So comment down below what do you think about the place. I would love to know that. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in a new place in a new city. Bye bye.